In this video, I'll show you how you can embed your published articulate storyline course in WordPress, manual or with a plugin. And I give you some options with plugins you can use best for this. Hi, I'm Spermon from Online Learning, where I teach you how you can create e-learning modules yourself with articulate storyline. And are you new here? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Are you ready? Then let's get started. If you have a finished storyline course, you don't necessarily need a learning management system to put your course online. You can place your storyline courses on your own WordPress website, for instance, if you want to demo them or use it as an online portfolio. You can do this manually and upload the course with xApi or use a plugin. But before we discuss how to upload a storyline course to your website, let's look how you must publish your storyline course so you can upload it to WordPress. For this example, let's assume this is your finished course and you want to publish it so you can upload it to your WordPress website. Now, to do this, click in Storyline on Publish. It takes a while, but now my Publish window appears. And let's assume that we're going to place our course files with FTP to our website. Now, in that case, we can choose Web, give the course an engaging title, for instance, WordPress website, and I choose a folder on my desktop to publish it. And now I click on Publish. And Storyline will now publish my whole course. Storyline will export the course now to HTML. Now, if Storyline is finished, let's click on the folder icon to open the folder with the HTML files in it. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna open FileZilla. This is my FTP client, so I will drag this somehow to the right and we'll click on here. So this is FileZilla. You can see here are the files on my local folder, and this are the files on my web server. So what I'm gonna do in the root of the server, I'm gonna create a folder. For instance, storyline. Click on OK. So my folder is created. I can open this folder. Now I can go to the left here, select all these files from my storyline course, and drag it to the right. And now FileZilla will upload all the files to my server. And after that, if FileZilla is finished, there's one last thing that I'll do, and that is change the name of story.html to index.html. And when FileZilla uploaded all my files to my web server, I can log on to my WordPress website and create a post or page and link to the e-learning course. So let's go to page, posts. I already prepared something, my post storyline to WordPress. You see here, click here, it's a link, and I link to, and that's not correct, use the correct link. This link, apply, okay, I will open it in a new tab. Now let's update it and preview our page and see what it does. So here's my text, and if I click on here, you see it opens my storyline course in a new window. So this solution is quick and easy, but you can't report any data about your course if you want to. So if you want to report data from your course or you're not that technical, then there are also a couple of plugins where you can upload your storyline course to WordPress. And I want to show you now 3 plugins that you can use to upload your storyline course to WordPress. The first plugin is the Insert or Embed Articulate Content into WordPress plugin. Now this plugin is developed by Brian Bett from eLearning Freak, and this plugin has a free version with limited features and the paid version. Now I have uploaded the free version to my WordPress site, so let's check my WordPress website. I here uploaded my course through FTP and created the link manually. Now here I have a new block, and you see here add e-learning. This is available because I installed the free version of the Insert or Embed Articulate Storyline plugin. So if I click here, I can check my content library, but it's empty. So I can also click on upload, choose my zip file, and go to my documents. Here's my storyline course, this one, storyline. So open it, and I said upload. So now my storyline course is uploading right now. 1 moment, 67. I hope it will go some faster. So it finished, and the course has and the plugin has unzipped my storyline course. So I have only the option here to embed it as an iframe. If I get the paid option, you have also the option to embed it as a lightbox, open it in a new window, or open it in the same window. So for now, we'll open it in an iframe, and I click on insert, and now I'll click on update, and let's preview my page right now. So you see here I've did it manually, and with the free plugin I've embedded an iframe where my storyline content is. And with the free plugin you see here, powered by eLearning Freak. If you get the paid version, this is gone and you have some more options. So one disadvantage of this plugin is that you can't do any reporting, but if you don't mind it, no, it's not that big of a deal. And the pro version of this plugin costs $99 for 1 year license, and you can find a link to this plugin in the description of this video below. So the second plugin is the Canny Reporting LearnDash plugin, and this plugin is very useful if you already use LearnDash on your WordPress website. With this plugin you can add articulate storyline, xApi and SCORM content to your WordPress website and to LearnDash. And what this plugin does, it adds a basic learning record store to your LearnDash website. And with this record store you can generate reporting and monitor the progress of your students. So the Canny LearnDash reporting plugin comes with a 1 year license of $179, and if you're an agency, there's also other licenses. So let's continue to our third plugin. The third plugin is the GrassBlade API companion plugin, and with this plugin you can insert storyline HTML content to WordPress, or you can upload xApi and SCORM content to WordPress. Now, when you connect the plugin to your GrassBlade xApi LRS, then you have a full-fledged learning record store with all sorts of options to report data. But you can also use the plugin not in combination with the GrassBlade LRS, and then you can upload your articulate SCORM content or HTML content to WordPress. This plugin comes also with a license of $99 for 1 year. So if you don't want any technical hassle and no reporting for your course, then the best plugin is the Insert or Embed Articulate Content to WordPress plugin by Embed. It's simple but very useful. Do you want reporting functionality? Then you can go for the GrassBlade xApi companion plugin and the GrassBlade LRS, or the Canny Learning's reporting plugin in combination with LearnDash. Now, the links to the plugins you can find in the description below this video.
Do you have any questions about embedding your articulate storyline course in WordPress, or about articulate storyline in Common? Then place a comment below these videos and I promise to answer it. And if you want to create great, engaging e-learning in articulate storyline, make sure that you get my free step-by-step guide on how I create e-learning in articulate storyline. And I know for sure that it will help you because it describes my whole process that I use for every e-learning module in articulate storyline that I build. And was this video useful to you? Then hit the like button below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos.